friends. So, what is the agenda of the day?
Yeah.
Are you interested in understanding the Python geometry with the help of Python turtles?
Yeah.
So, the Python turtle is a program which help you to draw the sketches in terms of lines, curves, and very mathematical two-dimensional geometry, particularly. So, I hope you all enjoyed it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin this.
Where is she?
Okay, so first we have to import the turtle.
Yes.
So import turtle, and then we'll make a function called the def main, and inside this we will create the object of window. So window equal to turtle dot screen,
Window equal to turtle dot screen.
and that is the screen where the sketches drawn by the turtle will be displayed.
Okay.
So Adya equal to Adya is the name of the turtle. Okay, Adya.
Yes.
So turtle dot turtle. So window equal to bg color. So you can provide the background color to that screen what we have designed, and its shape will be by default certain values. Let it remain. What is that? The bg color is gray, right?
Yes.
And then we can make the Adya. Since by default turtle always comes to the central position pointing towards right.
Yes.
So first let me make the structure, then we can later keep on just working on the codes. So this is if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals to single quote underscore underscore main underscore underscore yes, so colon. So anyone can copy this and write it there and just write the main. Now let's see. So you'll see that it came, the screen came and it just went out in just a flash of second. Okay,
Yes.
so now how to stop this? We can do it by window dot main loop.
Main loop.
Yes, so it means it will be waiting for us to give the instruction, and then you can be able to see the screen. So this is the same gray background turtle, the black tiny arrow kind of turtle is there, and
Yes.
that is pointing towards right, So now the Adya dot forward. So when it's already pointing towards right and you're asking it to move forward 150 steps, that's the numerical value.
Yes.
So now and then again I'm asking it to make the left turn by a value of 90. So again, so 150 steps, then 90-degree turn, then again moving 150 steps. Okay, so if you keep on taking the left turn, then you see that even just you can walk there, just point towards that side, move, take left turn, move, take left turn, move, take left turn, move. So you are closing a path, and that is what is used here. So since you are taking all the turns at 90 is a degree, so left 90 and moving forward. So what your shape you're going to trace, that will be definitely one square. Oh, so it has just to return back to the original condition. So what step is back?
Forward.
By what value? 150. Good. So you understand it. Such a nice thing, no? But it requires the basic understanding of geometry. Python, what you're just writing, you're writing Adya dot left, Adya dot forward, Adya. Even if you give instruction to someone, when I'm walking on the ground, I'll trace that particular shape. So is it not good?
Yes, it is.
So this is what in the Manim when we design, then also we can use these basic features. So now this was what? So now I want to change the color because the black on the background of gray is just looking nasty. So now this is called the filling of the color. So begin fill and then end fill. So just keep those lines starting just in the begin fill and end fill. So Adya dot end fill. Yes, now you'll see that it will trace out and fill the color. So and the color is black, so it will become a black square. But the turtle is still there, pointing at its own position, but right now to the bottom. Or you can say down.
Yes.
Okay, so if you do not want this turtle there, you can just use the syntax called the Adya dot hide turtle,
Yes.
show turtle. So now let me change the color. So how can you change the shape of the the color of the turtle? Then you can say you can write Adya
Adya
dot
dot
color
color.
and you can write double quote red. So now the turtle color has become red. Now see, beautiful. Adya, you can come here. Yeah, make yourself comfortable. Now come. See, did you see my red square?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what we are going to do, Adya?
We are going to
Adya dot forward, 100 steps forward. This is the new diagram because I have omitted all those lines, right?
Yeah.
So the Adya dot left 90. So 100 step forward, then left 90. Ajinkya, are you understanding?
Yes.
It's so simple for you. For Adya, it's a little difficult, right?
Yeah.
Because she's too young.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure that if I keep like feeding her brain with these kind of words, pretty sure in couple of months, maybe couple of weeks, she'll be able to understand it. In the morning time, I made her follow the instruction, and she was just tracing out the shape. Remember, Adya?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
So forward 100, left 90, forward 100, left 90, forward 200, left 90. So I am trying to trace out a rectangle. Because what is rectangle? A geometrical figure.
With whose two opposite sides are opposite sides are equal.
And all vertex angles are 90.
90.
That's why we are taking sharp turn at 90.
Yeah.
Okay, so Adya dot left 90, and this way what shape we are going to cover? That will be rectangle. Adya, what is the shape of this mobile?
Rectangle.
What is the shape of this monitor of laptop?
Rectangle.
What is the shape of our television?
Rectangle.
Okay, so this shape will also be a rectangle. Beautiful. Good?
Good.
Okay. Now what we are planning to do? So see, I used hide turtle also. Now Adya dot go to. Go to is the statement. It is just like go to your room. Go to this place. So when you write go to, you have to provide the position. That is 110, 0.
Yes.
And then there you can write Adya dot write, turtle dot write, and then inside the bracket you can write. I'm just trying to write out the name of the vertices of the rectangles, which are ABCD. Normally we see in geometry we write like ABCD, PQRS, but it has to be taken to a certain specific positions. So you need to know each and every coordinate of this screen. Now you see, but you see the little tiny line.
Yes,
It means
yes.
I forgot to pen up the turtle. So now Adya dot pen up. So turtle pen up. So turtle can move without leaving a trace. How it is? Is it not wonderful?
It is.
Okay, friends. So everyone can enjoy this. This is the bee, and I have named. Now I want to take the turtle to the other vertices. So, but I'm pretty sure you need to know the coordinate system of the screen, because if you know each and every point of the coordinate system, you can very easily make your turtle go to those positions. Whenever you wish the turtle to leave mark, you can use pen down, and if you want turtle only to move but not leave any mark, what you can do? Pen up. If you want to see the turtle, you can write show turtle. If you want to hide the turtle, you can use
Hide turtle.
How it is? Is it not wonderful, friends?
It is.
Okay, so now I have taken the turtle to the positions 100, 110, and there I'll be writing the letter C. Is it properly placed? Yes.
Yes, it is.
Now I think that I have to take the turtle to the other positions, but here there is a tricky point that in the coordinate system you need to understand. So let me introduce you the basic coordinate system on the paint. Okay, so here I use my Microsoft Paint, and there I will draw a virtual screen in the form of a rectangle. Then I'll draw two perpendicular lines that will make the grade, and that we can understand the coordinates of the system, so that we can later manipulate with the grid, and you can take our turtle to the desired positions. Are you sure we can do this easily?
Yes.
Now here it is. I have done it many years. I'm pretty good at it. In geometry, I love geometry, mathematics, calculus, and it is the basic thing, because mathematics is the way nature speaks to us. Okay.
Yes.
So when we were studying mathematics in college, then our professor used to say that the mathematics, my friend, is the language of God. God speaks in mathematics. So this is central position. Now the arrow comes and turtle comes at central position. So this coordinate is 0, 0.
Yes.
This interior rectangle is having the size 600 and 400. So this whole thing is 600. This is 300 and this is 300. So now here you see it says 300. 300 comma 0. This is the coordinate, and this will be minus 3, and this is 0 0.
Yes.
This is 300 0. This is minus 300 0. Now what is this value? This is 0 comma 200, because this value is 200. Now what is this value? If this is 600, so what is this value? Minus 300 comma 200. Yes, and what is this value? From here 300 and then the 200 up. So this is 300, this is minus 300 and 200 up.
Yes.
So it is just like the coordinate rectangular Cartesian system grid programming. This geometry we use, like the 0 0 first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant it's all positive, positive. In second quadrant, on x-axis everywhere y part is 0, and y-axis everywhere x part is 0. Got it?
Yes.
So this is 300 and minus 200.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
This is 0 comma minus 200.
Yeah.
So if you know each and every part of the screen, you can manipulate your turtle and to get the desired shape. This is third quadrant, so both are negative. Okay, and this is OR origin. So I think now it's pretty clear. So let's go back to the code, and then we will be providing. So now I want to take the cursor to this position. So minus 100 and or minus 110 also you can take. So I think minus 100 and 110 will be sufficient, because if you write the exact coordinate, it will be just sitting on that. So minus 110 and 100. Now write double quote C okay, C, and then you can write true.
Yes.
Okay, then in the next line you can use go to. So I'll come to this point. It's like the minus 100 comma 0, 110, because it should be little farther from that vertex, so that we can write the word there. Go to, oh, it's already go to there, so I have to write right, and then A, and then write true. Yes, I think our job is done, and all those coordinates have reached to the position point. Yes, thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel and keep growing. Let your kid also grow. Share the videos so that everyone have got the kid at their home, and everyone can master the geometry with the help of Titan in the fun way. Thank you very much, friends. Have a very nice time.